Hey, it's Eric. I got another YouTube channel too. This is my, BAUER high torque brushless with a flex 2.5 amp 24-volt battery on it. Let's try to loosen up my world famous 1 7/8 nut. Well, there goes the battery. Ain't that nice to know? Well, it looks like I'm going to have to hold it. Wow, it did it. I'm kind of shocked. Wow, it actually worked. Just got to hold the battery on, falls off, By the way, don't bother to buy an adapter for, because I'll show you what the problem is. Let me remove it. It will not. Okay, this is a 2.5. This is just a regular. This ain't stacked lithium. Here's my 3.5 stacked. Okay? We put the adapter on. Okay? Now, it won't do a damn thing. It won't do anything. But, if, see, just the light comes on. It won't do a damn thing with the stacked lithium. Apparently, this thing weighs too damn much, but apparently, what the problem is, let me show somebody. Okay, have a hard time getting the fucking battery off. Okay, let's put it back on. It's on. Okay, here's the regular 2.5 18650 cell 24-volt flex, of course. Now, it works. Apparently, this BAUER will not accept stacked lithium because it just won't. I'm probably something to do with the circuitry. Maybe this is way too much for it. It accepts just a regular 24-volt, just the regular 2.5. It'll accept a 5 and what? There's an 8. So if you plan on getting an adapter for your BAUER brushless high torque, don't bother to try to run the stacked lithium. Just run the regular 24-volt flex batteries. Okay,